In the vibrant, sun-drenched shores of Negril, Jamaica, three fierce and fearless women, Bright, Light, and Sight, stood as the island's secret protectors. By day, they were ordinary martial artists mastering traditional karate, but by night, they became the guardians of the Negril Nexus, a mysterious portal connecting Earth to a distant galaxy. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, a strange pulse vibrated through the island. The Nexus, hidden beneath the famous Rick's Cafe, shimmered with a luminous glow. The trio sensed an otherworldly disturbance, an alien force trying to harness the Nexus to invade Earth. Bright, with her sharp reflexes and glowing aura, led the charge. "We have to stop them before they unleash chaos," she said, her voice steady and powerful. Light, whose keen eyesight could see through illusions and detect hidden threats, nodded. "I see their movements. There's a ship cloaked in shadows approaching from the east." Sight, the strategic thinker, analyzed the patterns. "Their technology is advanced, but our combined skills can outsmart them. We need to create a distraction." Using their karate prowess and Jamaican ingenuity, the three women coordinated a swift attack. Bright unleashed a dazzling burst of energy, illuminating the shadows. Light used her precise strikes to disable the alien drones, revealing their true forms. Sight orchestrated a clever trap, leading the invaders into a closed-off cave where their tech malfunctioned. With the Nexus stabilized, the alien ship retreated into the cosmos. The island's natural beauty returned, and the Guardians vanished into the night, knowing they had protected their homeland once again. As dawn broke over Jamaica, Bright, Light, and Sight rejoined their community, their secret heroism forever woven into the island's vibrant legacy, Jamaica's own sci-fi legends, shining bright in the galaxy's vast sky.